and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing my new vanity from Impressions. This is what it looks like. And I got the Hollywood Glow Plus vanity mirror in the color Glossy White with clear LED globe light bulbs. Let's see, and it's the one without the Bluetooth, and it with everything total came out to almost $500. So if you want to see me unbox this little baby ad, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm just going to fast forward through the unboxing part and I'll show you guys the end where I have all my vanity stuff all set up. So on this part, we really tried so hard to be careful with the bulbs just because they're really fragile. So we just use like a small cloth. And it does come with the LED light bulbs already, you just have to attach them. Hi everyone, so this is what the final outcome looks like. It's really nice and bright. So right here on the left side, there's like a place where you can plug in stuff or you put your USB cord right here, and then it's got, let's see, it's got 12 light bulbs, well 6 on top and then 4 on the sides. And then if you go on the right side, it's got like a little, let's see if you can see, so it's got like a little switch. And then you can also, let's see, you can dim it. Or you can turn it up like this much. Overall, I like it. I've heard some people say that their light bulbs make like a little noise when they turn it on. Let's see. Mine isn't doing it, but I'll definitely let you guys know. That way, like, I can let you guys know if it's only your guys's or if it's with every single vanity. I plan on getting like a little wall mount just because it has like the little surfboard looking like mount right here. It goes around, and then in the back I actually have like a space. Like a big space right here from like the wall to the vanity mirror, so I do not like that because I feel like it doesn't give me enough space right here. Yeah, and I feel like I have to put all my shit right here because I barely have any room on my table. And I also plan on getting another one of these Alex drawers and getting a longer table and then putting it right here or somewhere. You guys want me to do like a vanity tour later on once I have everything ready, just let me know. And yeah, that's the end of this vlog. It's 12 a.m. right now. So tired. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.